Find the coordinates of the circumcenter of the triangle with A -2, -3, B -1, 0, C 7, -6. Also find the circumradius. So here we have the triangle ABC. We have marked off the coordinates of the vertices A, B and C. Now this circle which passes through the vertices A, B and C of this triangle is called the circumcircle. O is the circumcenter, that is the center of the circumcircle. OA, OB and OC are the circumradii. Now the question is to find the address or the coordinates of the circumcenter. So let's assume the coordinates of the circumcenter to be x, y. Now we know that OA equals OB equals OC, which means OA square equals OB square equals OC square. So now let's find OA square, OB square and OC square. Now how do we find OA square? Using the distance formula, just that we will not have the square root symbol. Now use the coordinates of O and A. See here, use the coordinates of O and A. What is O given by? X, y and A -2, -3. So now use the coordinates of O and A and apply the distance formula and find out OA square, and that gives us this expression. Call it 1. Similarly, find OB square and OC square using the distance formula. Remember, we will not have the square root symbol because we are finding OB square and OC square. Call these expressions 2 and 3. Now we know that OA square equals OB square and OB square equals OC square. So see here, on equating 1 and 2, that is on equating OA square and OB square, on equating 1 and 2, we have a linear equation in x and y. Call this equation 4. Now equate OB square with OC square, that is 2 with 3. So on equating 2 and 3, we have another linear equation in x and y. Call this equation 5. Now solve equations 4 and 5. Both are linear equations in x and y, so they can be easily solved using the elimination method or any other method like the substitution or the cross multiplication method. So here we have solved it using the elimination method, and on solving we have x is 3, and on substituting we have y is equal to -3, and hence we have found the address or the coordinates of the circumcenter. So O is given by the address 3, -3, x is 3, y is -3. So the coordinates of the circumcenter is 3, -3. Next is to find the circumradius. We know that OA, OB, OC all represent the circumradius. So you could find any one of these three. I have found OB using the vertices O and B, using the coordinates of the vertices O and B. So we need to find OB and not OB square. We need to find the length of the line segment OB, which represents the circumradius, and not OB square. So OB is equal to square root of the difference between the x coordinates, the whole square, plus the difference between the y coordinates, the whole square. On working this, we have OB is 5 units, or the circumradius is 5 units.